feel free to speak about your science project and what you think it's going to accomplish and what the grade will be. Blah-bitty, blah-bitty, blah.
Well, it's extra credit.
All right.
So.
And remember, when you move, sometimes you can move out of the frame, so try not to move. All right.
Oh, I won't. I'll be standing pretty much right here.
Okay.
It's that. Oh, it didn't work, or whatever. Hello, ladies and gallbladders. I am your host, Robin Banks, and this is
Science Slam!
The show where you've got to be scientific and quick. One of our contestants today is Yurjita Das, also known as Dash.
Woo! I make straight A's and I'm lightning quick. The competition doesn't have a chance.
Okay. Our next contestant is Gigi Catuella, known as the Master.
Totally awesome. I know when to slam science when it needs to be slammed.
Okay, this is round one. All our questions will be based on the systems of the body. This round will have 10 questions about the digestive system. I'll ask a question, and the first one to answer correctly will score. Are you ready to?
Science Slam!
Okay, the first questions will be, what are enzymes?
Chemicals that break down food.
Wow, first time 2 people answered at once. 10 points for both of you. Next question. We'll go from player to player until we get a right answer. Let's start with the Master.
Cool beans.
What chemical in the mouth turns starches to sugars?
Acid?
Ooh, that's not right. Let's go to Dash.
Pepsin?
Correct. 10 points. The Master will get another chance to answer if Dash gets the next one wrong. Next question. What chemical is used to test for sugar?
Iodine?
Not exactly. The Master?
Benedict solution?
Correct. The score is now tied 20-20. To Master, your next question will be, what is the definition of mechanical digestion?
Oh, that's easy. Physical things your body does to break down the food.
Nice. What is one example?
Give me a second. I've got this.
10 seconds.
Saliva.
Nope. Going to Dash.
Pancreatic juices?
Ooh, both of you got it wrong. Some of the right choices were chewing food in the mouth, churning of food in the stomach, and the breaking down of fats.
Shoot.
Rolling forward, what do you call food in the stomach when it is liquidy? Dash?
Is it chyme?
Yep, that's correct. Now going to round 2. These questions will be about the heart. So, the heart is part of what system?
Circulatory.
That's correct. Next question. An artery brings blood, A, towards the heart, or B, away from the heart.
Is it away from the heart?
That is correct. All right, next. When blood comes into the heart from the body, is it oxygenated or deoxygenated?
It's deoxygenated.
Yep. This one's going to be a close one. Pulmonary means blank because it carries blood to and from the blank.
Is the answer lungs?
Yes, it is. Catch up. Okay. The blank carries the blood to the lungs.
The vein?
Nope, that's not right. Dash.
Is it the pulmonary artery?
Yes, it is. All right. This is round 3, where I'm going to ask you questions about the lungs. All right, first question. It looks like small sacs of grapes and diffuses CO2 into the blood.
I know this one. Alveolus.
Yes, so eager. What is the nickname for the larynx?
Is it it the voice box?
That is correct. What is the outside layer of a bone?
Technical difficulties.
And the answer is?
She pressed it.
Is it pulmonary artery?
No, it's not. Let me repeat the question. What is the outside layer of a bone?
Periostinum. Can't say it.
Not quite. So much entertainment. Okay, let's go to Dash.
Is it periosteum?
Yes, it is.
Shoot.
Ouch, hurts to get that one wrong. Okay, what does bronchus look like?
Are they large tubes in the lungs?
Well, it seems that they are. All right, this is the final question. Moment of truth. What are the 3 jobs of the nasal cavity?
I know this one. It's to clean the air, keep out viruses, and keep the nose cool.
Not quite.
Is it to clean the air, moisten the air, and make it warm?
That is correct. Dash is our winner.
Celebratory. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Yeah. Awkward handshake.
Okay, we done?
Waving.